7 years ago, I uploaded my first YouTube video, and guess what? Nothing happened. For years, I was uploading the wrong way, no clear plan. And honestly, I almost gave up. But just 2 months ago, I decided to restart, this time with the right approach. And in only 60 days, I crossed 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, all with only long videos. Today, I'll show you exactly how. I was on YouTube for 7 years, but I wasn't serious. I posted randomly without proper thumbnails, no strategy, no audience focus. The result? Low views, zero growth. I stayed stuck under 200 to 300 subscribers for years. It felt like I was running in circles. 2 months ago, I gave myself a challenge. Start fresh, but smarter. No shorts, no tricks, only long-form videos with real value. This time, I focused on choosing a clear niche my audience cared about, making videos around 8 to 12 minutes long, adding proper titles, thumbnails, and descriptions optimized for search. And suddenly, my videos started reaching people. I stopped thinking like a creator and started thinking like a viewer. Each video began with a strong hook, answering exactly what people search for. I also added end screens and pinned comments asking people to subscribe. In 2 months, I grew from just a few hundred subs to over 1,000. The biggest advantage of long videos is watch time. Even if one video gets just 1,000 views, if people watch 6 to 8 minutes on average, that's hours of watch time stacking up. I made sure every video was structured. Hook, story, value, takeaway. That's how I crossed 3,000 hours quickly without uploading shorts. Earlier, I uploaded without planning, poor editing, weak thumbnails. I also made videos too long, boring in the beginning, so people dropped off. Once I fixed these, especially the first 30 seconds and thumbnails, growth finally happened. If you're struggling for growth, here's my advice. Focus on value-first long videos. Optimize for search and click-through. Check analytics. Double down on what works. YouTube rewards consistency plus value. Once I applied this, results came in just 2 months after 7 years of being stuck. So if you're sitting there thinking growth is impossible, trust me, I've been there. I wasted 7 years doing it wrong. But with the right approach, I hit 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 hours in just 60 days. In my next video, I'll share how I'm planning to cross 4,000 watch hours and apply for monetization. So make sure you subscribe and join me on this journey.